Today we will talk about the 4 ways that your employees are testing you. Hi, I'm Angad. I'm third generation in my family business, working in the business more than 17 years, more than 400 plus team members. And after mentoring so many next gen in the family business, I know exactly where you're stuck. Your family business deserves a leader who's prepared, who's powerful, and who's respected. And that starts right here. Hi guys, this is Angad, India's best family business mentor for next gen in the family business, and welcome to the series Diary of a Successor. Today we will talk about a very important topic, and that is why do employees टेस्ट यू इन द फर्स्ट फ्यू मंथ्स ऑफ यू जॉइनिंग द फैमिली बिजनेस. आपने कभी नोट किया आपने जस्ट फैमिली बिजनेस ज्वाइन किया अपना और सडनली डिलीवरीज लेट हो रही हैं या शिपमेंट्स में कुछ डिलेज आ रहे हैं या डेडलाइंस मिस हो रही हैं? डोंट वरी. Today we will talk about the 4 ways that your employees are testing you. सबसे पहला टेस्ट है the delay test. Like it says, आपने कोई काम दिया, वो देखेंगे कि इसका किस तरह का इंस्ट्रक्शंस देना है. How is this person giving instructions? हो जाएगा सर, मे बी जैसे भूल गया सर, मे बी जैसे कहीं और बिजी था सर. So they will test you by delaying what needs to be done to test your stability. They will be testing, are you following up? How do you follow up? How sharp are your follow-ups? How to deal with this is you have to be calm and composed. How I particularly do it is I end up asking them to put it down on paper or maybe write me an email with the deadline that they have committed. And then there are certain automations that you can do with the Google workflows where they automatically get a reminder, and then we have set up a system where once they get a reminder, they get an option to tick it that yes, it's done, which is followed by a verification of that. But I think it's too soon for you to do all of that because you're just joining the business. But if you are 4, 5, 6 years in the business and you need a follow-up mechanism, you can get in touch with me, WhatsApp me on the number below, and I can explain you the entire process here. But let's get back to the first tactic, how they test you is the delay tactic. Now, the second is very important. The second is the confusion test. They may act confused. आपने कोई task दिया. They may act, give you small decisions to take. Should I do it this way or should I do it that way? Should I call this vendor or should I call that vendor? They will test you by giving you very small decision making. Now, what they're really testing is, are you running to your father every time you're coming up with a small option? Or are you capable, independent, confident enough to take that decision yourself? Do you panic when you are given these counter questions to things that you have asked to be done? Or do you take it easy? How knowledgeable are you? This is what is at stake here. Again, be cool, be calm, be composed, and the best way that I tell my mentees to answer to a question that your employee asks is with another question. Sir, हम इस वेंडर से ऑर्डर करें या इस वेंडर से ऑर्डर करें? अच्छा शर्मा जी, आपको क्या लगता है कौन सा वेंडर बेटर है? अच्छा सर, इस वेंडर की डिलीवरी बेटर है. तो ठीक है शर्मा जी, इसी वेंडर के साथ चलते हैं ना हम. Did you get that example? That's how you deal with this situation. Then the third is the comparison test. They will more often than not they'll end up saying कि यार सर आपके पापा तो ऐसे करते थे या उनका ये तरीका था करने का. They are testing how do you compare to your father and how do you feel when you're compared to your father, and then that's where you have to be in the space of कि हाँ यार, that's great, my father has set up these legacies and these systems and why don't you explain me वो कैसे करते थे. और आप और मैं शर्मा जी मिलके इसको बेटर करने की अगर कोई पॉसिबिलिटी है तो क्यों ना हम इसको बेटर करें. और अगर नहीं कोई पॉसिबिलिटी बेटर करने की तो जैसे पापा ने सिस्टम सेटअप किया है उसी को फॉलो करते हैं हम अभी. लेट्स गेट द वर्क डन फॉर नाउ. Also guys, as you're aware, I am the only family business mentor in the country who's actually working in the family business. While I do this because I don't want you to make the mistakes that I made, and I just love sharing my experiences here. And if you would like to know what I do in the 12-week projects program, this is for you. So we have a robust 12-week projects program which is partially online, partially in person. So if you're in Delhi NCR, we are located in the Golf Course Road and you are most welcome to show up here and attend this in person. And in case you are not in around NCR, we do this also online Zoom sessions, and which is every week. And every week we have this continuous 12-week program, and end of the week you graduate as the projects program graduate from Family Managed Business Academy. And this is purely coming from the place of contribution to you, contribution to your business, and making you a strong foundation for the next 20 to 30 years of your life, because I'm sure most of you haven't thought about it, but your family business, if you choose to join it, is your last job. So on that note, I look forward to seeing you in person someday. Happy learning. And the final test, which is the most critical test, is the pressure test. They will tell you the problem at the last moment. They will tell you about the issue almost when the deadline is up. They will bring plenty of problems together. They will also bring multi-layer problems. Now, what is a multi-layer problem? Ki sir, फॉर एग्जाम्पल ये मशीन ख़राब होगी तो उसका सोल्यूशन है इसको ठीक करो, इसको ठीक करने के लिए ये पार्ट चाहिए, ये पार्ट कहाँ से मिलेगा? लेवल 2 प्रॉब्लम। लेवल 2 प्रॉब्लम, सर ये पार्ट तो मेरा ताइवान से आता है। लेवल 3 प्रॉब्लम। लेवल 4 प्रॉब्लम, ताइवान से आने में 2 हफ्ते लगेंगे। अच्छा 2 हफ्ते लगेंगे। लेवल 5 प्रॉब्लम इज 2 हफ्ते लगने के लिए सर अभी तो वहाँ पे चाइनीज न्यू ईयर चल रहा है। तो ये when they bring you these multi-layered level problems, imagine the depth to which they have thought of it. But what they're really testing is how are you acting under pressure? Because believe me or not, they have a solution. Do you shout? Do you get angry? Do you get nervous? How do you handle a pressure situation? Again, the answer is stay cool, stay calm, stay composed. You want to collaborate with them. अच्छा शर्मा जी, मेरे को समझ आ रही है कि ये पार्ट चेंज हो गया है, मगर कोई तरीका तो होगा शर्मा जी, आप 20 साल से काम कर रहे हो इस कंपनी में, कोई तो तरीका होगा कि ये मशीन ठीक हो सके या ये हम ऑर्डर डिस्पैच कर सकें। पिछली बार जब मशीन खराब हुई थी तब आपने क्या किया था? यू सी, यू हैव टू आस्क देम क्वेश्चंस। सो व्हेनेवर यू आर इन ट्रबल, व्हेनेवर यू आर इन डाउट, व्हेनेवर यू आर बीइंग टेस्टेड, ask questions and you have a 90% chance to get out of it. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next episode.